Yeah, today is 14 October 2020. Yeah, the day that my wife she tried to make a domestic violence on me, and she's been doing this for a long time, like a slave at home. So I called police. She too called police, but later police realized that she's lying. So, and the police asked me to pack all my stuff. Now I'm waiting for the cab to come. So with no destination at the moment. So I'm taking all this stuff to my working place first, because I just finished work this morning. I haven't slept. She started again, and to avoid any problem, to avoid any criminal problem. So that's why. So police, just left now. So this is our house. So this is all my stuff. 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 And this is our house. This is our house, 21 Second Avenue. 21 Second Avenue, Dagenham. So, yeah. So today is the 14th October 2020 that I left this place now, because of her violence towards me for a long time, because of my status with her. She's always said she will implicate me, she will put me in prison, she will make me lose my license, blah blah, all the time, slapping, whatever, many abuse, like a slave in the house. I can't bring any friends in, and I'm paying the mortgage money for her every month. So upon I clean all the house, everything, but this woman, I don't know whether she have a mental trouble. I don't know what I do for her, but I'm happy that the police take me out, because I'm trying this thing for a long time, to be out from this house, but I can't do it by myself without the police. So I thank God that police came. So I'm free. I'm free. You see me? See, I haven't slept. I finished work this morning, 7. I got home around 8:30. So until now I haven't slept. See, this is all my stuff. Even I see there are a lot of my stuff inside, but I left it because of the cab. It would be too much, but I gave her the rest. So I don't know my destination for now. Where to sleep, nothing. I'm homeless for now, but I don't know what to do. Waiting for the cab. So this is my stuff. Thank God. So this is all my stuff. Yeah, this is a car. This is a car. So, I thank God that I'm free today. I have peace of mind in my life. This torture from this woman is too much. It's too much for me. I'm like a slave in the house. All my blood pressure all the time. I thank God. Glory be to God. I'm hurt at the presence of the police. Thank you, Lord.
Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell, my darling people. Today's topic we are bada iwe chokoto. It can be a cocoa shoe join now, my darling people. Hey, now wallow, my people. Okay, oh my darling people. Today's topic na about one man. Hey, the video they go viral. It dey Facebook, it dey everywhere now. So I say no, if I don't shook mouth for this video, waiting again. No, now those kind of video me they like make it there my table here. Sometimes some men they do one kind of things we be say. Now even if by itself they even the video the things today, like I was like, is the why this woman they wicked now we go drive this man. But when I come hear the mate, I say okay, he deserve sometimes he deserve, some men deserve what they happen to them. Yeah, some men deserve what they happen to them, because if you get better woman, use and hold and way. And also see beef to woman, if you get better man, use and hold and well. You understand? Because some men, their own day their body, and some women their own day their body. No perfect home for this life, you know. It's just that all of us, in fact, marriage now endurance, like all of us, we they manage each other. You and the man now manage marriage now. With everybody they manage each other, because if we not they manage each other, my dear, before you know, nobody go they even stay reach 10 years for marriage. If we not they manage each other, as they will not they really they be follow each other. You understand? Where this one for bad, not this one for good. Where this one for good, not this one for bad. And so the matter be my husband get people. You know one parable they'll say, stick when they take beat the first one, and they'll take beat the second one. And so they be for this life. But you can't be saying that the man they can't use the stick, they beat. And so this matter be today. So my husband get people, this man, he married before. Him with his wife, everything they okay for them, you know. So now no sometimes now argument must they ask, quarrel must they ask. Now normal for marriage, you know. So this man now, he can say, no, you don't want to stay again, because if the woman just get one kind of quarrel like that, he say, no, you don't want to marry again, he want to come out, he don't need marriage again, this, that, you know. So now because he already get side chick. When I don't say when man don't they misbehave. Women now they talk to so gallant women them. When I don't say when your husband don't they misbehave, like you don't they do one kind of kukere waka, you know, say okay, something they outside for and I make it they misbehave. Waiting I wish anything go verse put. Waiting not supposed verse put to go verse, you know, say okay, as in things don't they will be say you want to go outside now, that make it they do all those things. When I understand me, my husband get people there. So this woman, what is going to happen be say, my darling people, this man, then he can pack, can come up for house. He can say no, they marry again. So as he pack, he can go stay with side chick for house. So, but they can they cash out with the side chick. You go they snap picture, they put up on Facebook, but they cash out, they do anyhow, they do as they like, you know, like me, they paint the first wife. But the woman, what to do? She did there. What did she go do? She used to rest. Say, okay. That's all like be. What I will do? Maybe the man will be my husband. And she can't do like that. This man now can't deal with that side chick. They do everything for side chick, but they cash out. Now inside chick now can't see another sweet guy. And now you can say, no, sugar daddy. You go there, your lane, no. Now sugar daddy say, are you joking or that you are serious? He say, I don't want a gay. Go meet your wife. Now married man say, you mean you the joke I be waiting. He say, I don't marry again. Go meet your wife. I don't put water for mouth. They talk about. Before he come for work one day, now the side chick pack all your things put for outside. Say, he know they marry again, not be forced. Not forced. They make us together. They don't make us together. They don't make us together. I don't want a gay. Go meet your wife and your children. Now, a married man can they do video for outside. As you can see, my woman drive me before I come for work. He pack up my things outside. See my things. He there outside now. Yeah. So what we can do now? We can the pity for you now, be. Yeah, this woman not just do well. This woman a bad rumor. Like seriously? Foul, my dear. Who want pity for you? You deserve more. You deserve more than that. Oh, you deserve more than that. So the wife where you live ever since now. Now you want to go meet now. Be waiting now because the video we say. I not get anywhere when I go. I say, man, I just do this video. Man, they tell you, I say, woman don't drive and because they get a little quarrel, he drive and see all the things for outside. The woman pack all the things for Ghana must go. he put am for outside for am o. He say make he pack it things, make he go. He no want to go. He say the woman now, the woman dey as he call police for am. He not be smart thing do. He pack all the things for outside. Now he want pack the things go. He work in place because he not get anywhere where they go now. Say yeah, it's a pity, my brother. It's a very big pity, you know. Like sometimes I dey surprised for some men when you get a good home, you get your wife to take care of, everything is okay with you and your wife. I know say some women, they can be annoying sometimes, but my dear, if that one not reach for you, when you go take comot for house, say you know they marry again, you can't go meet side chick. Now when side chick can't drive you now, how you reason your life now? How you reason yourself now? Until you come the reason and say, oh, that when I deal with my wife, if now my wife not go do this kind of thing to me. But I die know it's too late, my dear. It's too late. It's too late for some men. If you deal with your wife, deal with your wife. What do I ever see for side chick? Not be with the makeups where side chick gets, now your wife gets. I don't know for some men, shall I don't really like. Sometimes I go they wonder. That is why they lose some women. Not die because of marriage. My dear, take it easy. Take it easy. Nobody, see, nobody home, eh? Nobody home too sweet. Everybody na endurance, as in with the I know tell you say that my own is sweet pass. Where my own for bad, your own feel good. Where your own for good, my own feel where your own for bad, my own feel good for that too. That's what it be. That's what it just be. No perfect home. You understand? But only the one women not like we say, if the man can't they beat the woman, as in they beat him. I don't go advise some women say stay there because may not go pay you one day. And then if my mother they threaten you, say I must pay you one day. I must pay you one day. I pay you wrong before you do one more. And if you sit there with woman when they too nang, as the way not the let man rest. If they as in if they make you know they give the man peace at all. My dear brother, you not feel that because you marry nah. Who says who? You understand? So instead when you go there, they want the man they bear because I be man. But therefore you know when the thickness go measure. That's what it be. Thickness go measure. So maybe they take this easy for this life. See this man, I reason in life now. So by you where they watch me now, what do you think about this video? Make this man, he deserve what he gets. He deserve for this side chick. If you deserve him, leave your comment for the comment section. We go there. May we see una opinion. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Bye everybody. Share this video, share it to your community, share it to your Facebook, share it to your messenger, share it to everybody so that everybody can see it. Don't be stingy with it. Thank you and God bless you people for watching. God bless you people. Continue to share. As you continue to share my video, that is how God will be blessing you, yafu, blessing you. Blessing go to come for different place for you. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk